Think you know the Bible? Prove your knowledge now. Who said, "I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me"? Who said, "Let the little children come to me and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these"? Who is speaking in the famous verse, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have eternal life"? Who taught the principle known as the Golden Rule? Do to others what you would have them do to you. Who said, "The Sabbath was made for man, not man for the Sabbath"?